Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to show y'all on how to wash the front of your car by dryer sheets. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get uh, just a little bit of Dawn dishwashing liquid. Then I'm going to fill it up with warm water. And then we're going to go outside to the front of the car. See him at the front of the car. Next thing you want to do is use the dryer sheet, dip it in the water. And then wipe the front of your car. And I'm just gonna use my shirt because I didn't bring no rag with me. And then in that one little spot, I'll show y'all what I did. See, no bugs. But over there, it's way worse. If y'all want to know more hacks, subscribe, and comment down below. And I'll make more. See ya.